Hi guys, Mr. Tompkins here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about programming and coding, and it's quite an important skill to learn today. Now, the app I want to talk to you about is called Lightbot, Hour of Code, and it's fantastic because it allows you to code and develop your programming skills in a game where you're telling a robot what to do. And this is good because there's a lot of things out there at the moment when you have to program and code. It's a bit boring and dull. So let's check out this app. I think it's fantastic. Hope you enjoy it. Right, so this is the app Lightbot Code Hour. Brilliant for developing your programming and coding skills. So the first big option really is to decide whether I want to be a boy robot or a girl robot. So the top left corner, if you press there, changes it to a girl robot, or the blue, boy. I'm a boy, so I'm going to choose the boy robot. Then I'm going to press the big green play button in the middle. I'm going to choose the basics first and do level 1. 3 commands. Okay, press the play button. Here we go. Right, welcome to Lightbot. Tap anywhere to continue. Brilliant. I need your help to light all the blue tiles. The walk command tells me to walk forward, and the light command tells me to light up a tile. Good luck. Brilliant, thanks. Right, so the hand's showing me where the forward tile is at the bottom of the screen. Now I need to put myself in the position of the robot and think, yeah, forward would be correct where he needs to go because he's facing forward. So just click that, and again, and then the light bulb. Click the green button, see if it works. Brilliant. Click this one. Okay, here we are back at the main page. We've got 1 basics, 2 procedures, 3 loops, and a certificate option at the end. If you're really good and you deserve a certificate, you can print one of these off. I just want to go to procedures, number 2. So after you've learned the basics, have a go at procedures. Let's have a quick click on here. Go on number 1. Oh, 11 commands. So it does get harder. Now, on the procedures, there is an option called Proc 1, which is almost an extra slot to give more commands to. It does get a little bit more trickier, but it's quite simple. Hopefully I'll explain it well for you. So this is code P1 at the bottom, what I'm selecting now with my finger. And what you can put in there is a set of commands or instructions, and then when you put P1 up here, this P1 will be whatever's in this section here. So this grey P1 means whatever you've put in here for instructions will do in a shorter way of just doing it in one block. So we'll put P1 up there, and in our P1 we'll do in our program forward, 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 light, and then this one's left and this one's right. So if we walk down as the robot, he needs to turn right at the end, doesn't he? So we'll put right in there. See what happens. Turn right. Good. So to complete this level, what I've done is in the main bit I've given him a few options first. Forward, 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 light bulb. And then for the P1 commands down here, he turns right, he goes forwards 3 times and lights up the tile. And all I've done is put 2 P1s. So I'm telling the robot basically to repeat the P1 twice. So when you press play, he's working through the P1s, and that's what it does. So it allows you to program using shorter blocks, just like P1 as one grey block, but really it stands for a set of commands in there. Hopefully that's explained for you. Have an explore, see how you get on. Okay, I just want to go through each option or command that you have, just so you know exactly what each one does. Forward, we've spoke about. You put that in there, he goes forwards. Light bulb is one where you need to put in when you need to light a light bulb tile, which is a blue tile over there. This one, the best way to look at it is this one is left, and this one is right. This coil one, you probably guessed right, is a jump. Let's just show you that one. So if you press play, it does a jump. That's what that one is. And the P1 option we've discussed. It's a program that, or procedure, that is in the grey block, and when you put it in the orange bit, this singular P1 block means you're doing the commands that are in there. And they are all the commands. Hopefully I've explained it well. Have an explore, look through the levels, let me know how you get on. I've been Mr. Tompkins. Thank you ever so much for listening. Enjoy Lightbot.